How to customize facial features using FaceApp. Want to fine-tune your selfies by customizing specific facial features? Here's how to customize facial features using FaceApp. First, launch FaceApp on your device. Now pick a clear front-facing photo from a gallery. Now scroll to the editing options at the bottom and look for face. It's here, right here, features. Tap on it. Here you can add dimples and you can add cheekbones. Just let me add dimples. Once you add it, tap and apply. Now you can also customize your skin. Tap on skin. You can add freckles like this and tap and apply. Now you can change your size, like you can change your features of your face, like you can add big face. Tap on big face and apply it. Now again go to big nose. Once you're satisfied, tap apply and download your enhanced selfie by tapping save on the top right corner like this, and it will be saved to your gallery. And that's how you can customize your facial features with FaceApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching.